guys, what's going on? Finally back down to the garage. Today we're going to be ripping into the engine. I've got my intake manifold gaskets finally arrived, so ripping off the intake manifold, going to fix this oil leak that's around the oil filter. Stick around too, because hopefully I'm going to have the cams in pretty soon, which should be sweet. Actually really looking forward to that. So they should have some nice overlap and sound pretty good. I'll do some before after shots. Let's rip into this, get this done out of the way, and we'll see where we go from there. Finally got the intake manifold off. What's the time? Oh, it took my watch off. 3 o'clock. So I started at about 9 this morning. Had a bit of a breather at about 10. Bludged for a bit, so shit, it's taken me probably 5 hours to get this thing off. You'll notice I've actually left. Just fix the audio up, hopefully that's a bit better. So yeah, I've just got the manifold sitting up on the strut at the moment because of the fuel lines, so I need some hose clamps to clamp them off so I don't piss fuel everywhere. But you can see it's finally off. We want to get down into there and fix that disgusting mess under there. So can't see much because of the batteries are dying at the moment. Hang on, let's get in here. You can see some of the sludge back there around the starter motor too. Doesn't look that bad, but I'll get a better light and then we should see a bit more and figure out where all this mess is coming from. So yeah, bear with us. Hopefully I'll have some hose clamps on there tonight. Be able to rip the manifold clean off, get a better view of what's going on around that oil filter. So see what happens. this thing's lit, eh? So good. Alright, so I've had a good look around the oil filter, and it's not as obvious as I'd hoped for. I think I've let it go for way too long, so there's just oil everywhere around that filter and filter block. I'm gonna go with my gut. I'm pretty sure it's not the filter, and I'm pretty sure it's in between the plate where the filter bolts onto and the block itself. So I'm just gonna give it a good degrees, let it, clear itself up, and then have a look and see if there's anything obvious once I've cleaned it. Fingers crossed. Well, this is sick. Just putting on a new filter, Pretty sure the filter's not supposed to do that. So, I'm starting to get over this. Just weighing up my options. I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm thinking I'll run up the road quickly, grab another filter, whack it on. Hopefully that one's not stuffed. If it's the threads on the plate, well then now I'm forced to throw on the filter relocation kit, I suppose. I just didn't want to go down this road, to be honest. I'm not here. What I found, actually, what's interesting, I took off this one here. This is a Z, what's this? 442 Ryco. And I had a quick look online. This is the one that I got. It's a Z445, and it is a bit smaller. I mean, you can even see the box. Box is tiny. So the filter itself's quite short compared to what came off, which was definitely a bit taller. So I don't know. I'm thinking maybe that was on there for a reason. What I might do, actually, I'll go up the road. I'm going to grab a 445 and the 442, come back, try it again. Hopefully one of them works. Alright, we're back. Just got myself another filter. Got the 442 here, put the degrees on. But first, croissant time. Oh yeah. If you haven't done it already, I think you should like the video because of the chocolate croissant. Alright, we're on to torquing up the intake inlet manifold. So I got my trusty manual here on my phone, and I found the runners. We're just working off the S14 one here, so it shows the upside down manifold. But you can see there There's our torque figures, so 18 to 21 Newton meters or 13 to 15 foot-pound. So you can see there, might just be able to make that out. 18 to 20 Newton meters, and then this side's inch-pounds. So if we do quick math, 14, I've gone for the middle ground, so I've set it to 19 Newton meters, which is roughly 14 foot-pound. So to get foot-pound to inch-pound, you just times it by 12. So quick math, about 168. So just with the torque sequence, you want to work from the inside out, keep it fairly even. It's that easy.